get y by themselves. So let's find the max and the min with what I gave you. Let's go get y by itself on this first one. So we got 4y is less than or equal to negative x plus 12. So I got less than or equal to negative 1/4 x plus 3. So I'm going to go up 3, down 1 to the right 4, up 1 to the left 4. And I'm going to make it a solid line. Oh my gosh, you guys. And yeah, yesterday, hold on, don't shade, because yesterday I was showing you how to shade. And I totally forgot. I would not shade. If we're saying less than, and we chose 0, 0, let's go ahead and plug in. If I plugged in a 0, 0, the 0 for my y and a 0 for my x, is 0 less than or equal to 3? Yeah, so if I were you, instead of shading, yes, Oliver, I would just say, oh, I got to draw little arrows towards that origin. That's going to make our life a lot easier. A lot easier. I know we ended on that yesterday, but whew, lines going on. Here we go. Let's get my next y by itself. When you divide by a negative, what do we have to do with that inequality sign? Flip it. Maybe you added 2y so that you don't have to flip it, but we will get the same answer at the end. I am going to divide by a negative, so I'm going to flip it. Anyone else get less than or equal to 3/2 x plus 3? Anyone else get that? Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Thank you. Up 3 over 2. Up 3 over 2. Up 3 over 2. Down 3, left 2. They're all going to be solid lines. Less than or equal to, so I'm going to just use 0, 0 again. Is 0 less than or equal to 3 again? Yeah, so I'm going to draw arrows towards that 0, 0. And I'd say the more arrows, the more helpful it'll be once we're trying to figure out what our shape is. Okay, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go in pink this time. I'm going to move my x over there. I would like whoever helped with my fantasy football team to know that I won this week. So let's do, I got to shade my pink one. I'm going to still use 0, 0. Is 0 bigger than negative 2? Yes, it is. So I'm going to draw my arrows towards my 0, 0. Yup. Last one. I'm going to get my y by itself. This time I am going to move the y over. So I'm going to say 3x minus 10 is less than or equal to y. Or y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 10. That's what I'm going to do personally. Minus 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Is right. Got this weird looking shape. Oh, really? I feel great about it because all of mine are at perfect points.
You messed up.
Ben Richardson, you done messed up, buddy. Okay, would you guys agree that we got this cute little kite kind of thing going on here? Yeah, cute little kite. Possible solution. Give me a point in my green kite. 0, 0. Not in my green kite.
Not in the green? 6, 7.
I knew it. Literally, that's why I went snap, snap. I was waiting for someone to say 6, 7. Okay, what would you say our vertices are? Negative 2, 0. I think I heard, so what did you say about 3? 0, 3, right? Yep. 2, negative 4. I agree with that. 4, 2. Go you. Okay, you guys, this was the new thing that we learned yesterday too, is that we want to find the max and the min. So again, I'm always going to give you this equation. We just have to go plug in our vertices. In this case, it's 4 of them, to go figure out which one would be our max and which would be our min. So if you've got f of, I'm going to say negative 2, 0. I'm just going to go in the order that I have them written. The order makes no difference. Let's plug in negative 2 in for x and a 0 for y. What do we get? Yeah. Oh, geez, it's 2, negative 4. What a goober. When we plug in negative 2, 0, What would you get? 0? Yes. Great. If I plug in 0, 3, -1? BR, would you agree with that?
Yes.
2, -4, 2.
Ms. Tony, I have a question.
Yes.
Do we have to write it out like that?
Not at all. Yeah, if you're
we
like,
can do it.
totally. You're just going from f of -2, 0 to equals 0. Absolutely, Brody Boyd. Anyone get 8? Yeah? What's my max? My max is 8. My min? Beautiful. Last one, you guys. This one doesn't take too much.
I never told me I will play it anytime.
Y is greater than x plus 3. I already got our y's by themselves. X plus 3. Yay! Ooh, solid or dashed on this one? Dashed line. Ooh, that came out of nowhere. Greater than. So I'm going to put 0 is greater than 3. True or false? False. 0 is not greater than 3, so I'm going to draw my arrows not towards the 0. X minus 1 less than x minus 1 is 0 less than -1. No, it is not. So I cannot draw my arrows towards 0, 0. Where are we overlapping, people? Nowhere.